Skipping the small stuff that voids coverage is how new toilets and water heaters quietly lose their warranty. Start by reading the warranty booklet front to back, then highlight what the maker calls out as required maintenance and time intervals. For toilets, check the fill valve and flapper every 6 months, clean mineral buildup with a non-abrasive cleaner, and replace worn rubber parts with the exact manufacturer part number. For water heaters, flush several gallons until water runs clear every 3 to 4 months. If you have hard water, or twice a year if water is softer, and document the date and method. Inspect the temperature and pressure relief valve annually by lifting the test lever for a brief burst of water, then let it snap back and check for drips. Note any anode rod inspection or replacement intervals the maker lists, usually every 2 to 3 years for standard tanks, and write down the rod type used when you replace it. Store a folder with dated maintenance logs, photos of each step, and receipts for parts and any professional service so you can prove compliance if you need to file a claim. The first mistake is skipping the flush on a water heater because it seems optional, which leads to sediment that triggers overheating and noise that the maker can blame on neglect. Set calendar reminders and flush on schedule with a short hose and a bucket until the water runs clear. The second mistake is grabbing a cheap universal flapper or fill valve for a toilet, then getting ghost flushes or high water bills that the maker can deny under improper parts. Match the brand and model, bring the old part to the store, and compare valve heights and seat shapes before buying. The third mistake is letting an unlicensed friend tackle a gas or power vent water heater repair, which gives the manufacturer grounds to deny claims. Handle small tasks like flushing and anode inspection yourself, but call a licensed pro for gas, electrical, venting, or leak repairs, and keep their invoice in your records. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easy for homeowners to find local plumbing pros who can handle scheduled maintenance and proper repairs that keep warranties intact. We also help contractors showcase their work, get matched with nearby jobs, and join our discussion community where people trade maintenance tips and real-world fixes.